Every day, pharmaceutical factories around the world manufacture millions of tablets and capsules under strict GMP, WHO, and FDA quality standards.
Only trained and authorized personnel are allowed into pharmaceutical manufacturing areas. Every movement is monitored to maintain complete product security and regulatory compliance.
Before production begins, every employee follows strict gowning and hygiene procedures to protect medicines from contamination.
Raw materials are carefully inspected and placed under quarantine until laboratory testing confirms their quality and identity. Representative samples are collected under controlled conditions to ensure every batch accurately reflects the entire shipment. Every ingredient undergoes extensive testing for identity, purity, potency, moisture, and contamination before production approval. Only materials that successfully pass every laboratory test receive approval for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Each ingredient is weighed with extraordinary precision. Even tiny measurement differences can affect the final medicine. Every ingredient is verified, documented, and prepared for manufacturing using complete electronic traceability. After accurate weighing and dispensing, pharmaceutical ingredients transferred into industrial blending systems where uniform mixing begins before granulation and tablet production.
After weighing, the ingredients are blended. Every particle is evenly distributed. This ensures each tablet contains the correct dosage. Wet granulation binds fine powder particles together. This improves flow, compressibility, and dosage consistency.
Moisture testing confirms that the granules meet strict pharmaceutical specifications before further processing. Uniform particle size improves tablet compression, capsule filling accuracy, and consistent medicine performance. Special pharmaceutical lubricants help the granules flow smoothly through high-speed manufacturing equipment.
Before production begins, tablet presses are carefully calibrated to deliver precise weight, thickness, and strength. Modern tablet presses manufacture thousands of perfectly formed tablets every minute, with exceptional precision.
Throughout production, tablets are continuously tested to ensure every batch remains within strict quality limits. While tablet production continues, another automated line prepares empty capsules for accurate filling with pharmaceutical powder.
Automatic capsule filling machines separate, fill, and assemble thousands of capsules every minute, with exceptional dosing accuracy.
Each filled capsule is securely locked to protect the medicine during transportation and storage. Capsules are polished to remove excess powder and provide a clean, professional pharmaceutical finish.
Many tablets receive a protective coating that improves stability, appearance, and patient comfort. Carefully controlled spray systems apply an even coating, while warm filtered air dries every tablet to perfection. After coating, tablets are cooled and visually inspected to ensure a flawless pharmaceutical finish.
Special laboratory tests confirm that medicines dissolve and release their active ingredients exactly as designed.
Approved medicines are transferred to automated packaging lines, where every package is prepared for maximum protection and traceability. Thermoforming technology creates protective blister cavities designed to keep every tablet and capsule safe from moisture and damage. Automated filling systems ensure every blister receives the correct medicine before final sealing.
The blister packs are permanently sealed using medical-grade aluminum foil to preserve medicine quality throughout its shelf life.
Unique identification codes provide product traceability from the factory to the patient. Every medicine package includes clear product information to help healthcare professionals and patients use it safely. Automated packing systems prepare finished medicines for safe transportation across national and international supply chains.